Hello my friends, you are welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn Scratch programming. Scratch is a fun and easy way to learn how to code, especially for kids and beginners. So if this is your first time, I would strongly suggest you subscribe and turn on your notification button because kids will be uploading their projects and I know you will be inspired or benefit from it. But before we go straight to Scratch, let's look at few basic coding words. A programming language is a language used to give instruction to a computer so it can perform a particular task. Just like the human language English or Yoruba. Let's assume you want to give an instruction to somebody who understands Yoruba only. So you need to learn that Yoruba so that you'll be able to pass that instruction for the person to understand. So also with programs like Python, C++, C Sharp, or even Scratch, you need to understand their language. The language Python uses is different from what Scratch or C Sharp uses, though there may be some little similarity, but they are really different. The other thing we need to know is that programming language could be visual or non-visual. First, let's look at the non-visual programming language. The non-visual programming language uses text, which comprises words and symbols to give for their instruction. You write instruction as text. You must remember the correct words because if you make mistake while typing a text, it may give you error. For example, we have print hello world, which is a language used by Python. So you see that print, if you make mistake and you omitted that R, then there will be error. The program will not run properly. So those are the challenges of non-visual programming language. So then what about visual programming language? A visual programming language uses block, pictures, or drag and drop instead of typing codes. And that's why it's more friendly for children and beginners. And a good example is Scratch. If you look at my screen, if I want to give instruction to the computer to make this cat move, the cat I'm dragging right now, if I want it to move, I'll just drag a block here, click on motion and drag move. So by the time I tap on that move, you see that the cat is moving. So any instruction we want to give, we use the block instead of typing text. So now that you understand these terms, which are very important, then now let's go straight to Scratch.